Welcome to our Isoko language class. Today we're going to be talking about greetings. Uyo, uyo. Also we say uyere, uyere. And I'll start with omamo yo ye, or mamo hyo here, or mamu ke. It all means good morning. Some says oyo ye, some says ohyo here, some says uyo ke. It all means omamu vo, good afternoon. Uvo is the sun. Good afternoon. Omamo good evening. Owo is evening. Good evening. Omamede is good day. Good day. Then when you say owo evening, aso night. Aso night. Unfortunately, we don't say mamaso. We say mamo. Then we now say tode. Tode or odan where you are saying good night. Tode means get to tomorrow. Get to tomorrow. Then where tomorrow we see. You are telling the person good night. Today or where good night. See you in our next class. Please practice these things and God help us all. Masai kwewo my Till next class.